हेलो साथी, आज हामी फेरि लिएर आएको छौँ वाटर सप्लाईको क्वेसन एमसिक्यू छ र हाम्रो च्यानल नयाँ छ र यसलाई प्लिज सब्सक्राइब गरिदिनु होला। क्वेसनतिर लागौँ। क्वेसन नम्बर फर्स्टमा छ द डिभाइस इन्स्टल फर ड्रोइङ वाटर फ्रम द सोर्स आर कल्ड। अप्सन नम्बर अप्सन एमा छ फिल्टर्स, बीमा छ इन्टेक, सीमा छ एक्विफर्स, डीमा छ नन अफ द र यसको सही आन्सर हो अप्सन नम्बर बी इन्टेक्स। क्वेसन नम्बर 2 मा हेर factor considered in selection of the site for intake point is that it should be option A मा छ nearer to the treatment plant, B मा छ in pure zone of the water source, C मा छ upstream of the point of disposal of the wastewater, D मा छ all of the above र यसको सही आन्सर हो all of the above अप्सन नम्बर डी। क्वेसन नम्बर 3 तिर लागौँ। ग्रेभिटी वाटर सप्लाई सिस्टम स्टार्ट फ्रम। अप्सन ए मा छ इन्टेक, बी मा छ कलेक्सन चेम्बर, सी मा छ डीपीटी र डी मा छ फसेट। यसको सही आन्सर हो अप्सन नम्बर ए। सरी, यसमा लाग्यो अप्सन नम्बर ए छ यसको सही आन्सर इन्टेक। क्वेसन नम्बर 4 तिर लागौँ। A thrash rack rocking filter is provided at the entrance of A मा छ intake, B मा छ slow sand filter, C मा छ rapid sand filter, D मा छ all of the above को सही आन्सर हो A impact। क्वेसन नम्बर 5 most common source of the water in hill and tarai is our country are respectively A मा छ surface and ground, B मा छ ground and surface, C मा छ surface and ground, D मा छ ground and ground। यसको सही आन्सर हो ए ground and surface and ground। क्वेसन नम्बर 6 a good source of water requiring practically least treatment। अप्सन नम्बर ए मा छ perennial river, B मा छ impounded reservoir, C मा छ deep well, E मा छ elevated lake। यसको सही आन्सर हो अप्सन नम्बर डी elevated lake। क्वेसन नम्बर 7 source of water in the mountain। ए मा छ ट्यूबवेल, बी मा छ वेल, सी मा छ स्ट्रीम, डी मा छ नन अफ द एबोव। यसको सही आन्सर हो अप्सन नम्बर सी स्ट्रीम। क्वेसन नम्बर 8 Fluids developing is generally provided in a case of well, B मा छ ट्यूबवेल, सी मा छ रिजर्वायर, डी मा छ all of the above। यसको सही आन्सर हो अप्सन नम्बर ए वेल। क्वेसन नम्बर 9 infiltration gallery is A मा छ horizontal well, B मा छ vertical well, C मा छ inclined well, D मा छ none of the above। यसको आन्सर हो horizontal है अप्सन नम्बर ए। क्वेसन नम्बर 10 क्वेसन नम्बर 10 मा छ minimum depth of infiltration gallery, minimum depth of infiltration gallery। यसको अप्सन छ 2 मिटर, 3 मिटर, 4 मिटर एंड 5 मिटर। यसको सही आन्सर हो अप्सन नम्बर ए 2 मिटर। क्वेसन नम्बर 11 क्वेसन नम्बर 11 मा छ द इक्विफर हैविंग लीस्ट वाटर बेयरिंग कैपेसिटी इज ए मा छ कन्फाइन्ड, बी मा छ अनकन्फाइन्ड, सी मा छ परचेज, डी मा छ नन अफ द एबव र यसको सही आन्सर हो सी परचेज। क्वेसन नम्बर 12 मा हेर watershed control method is used to control A मा छ water in pipeline, B मा छ sedimentation in reservoir, C मा छ algae in reservoir and D मा छ bacteria of water, bacteria in water। इसको सही आंसर हो ऑप्शन नंबर बी sedimentation reservoir। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 मा छ surrounding is the process of filling gravel, bajri etc in A मा छ floated tubewell, B मा छ strainer tubewell, C master perforated tube well, D master cavity tube well. As answer of A solitated tube well. Question number 14 Myra. The number of short town is Nepal by NWSC. Option A master 12, B master 18, C master 20, D master 30. इसको सही आंसर हो 20. Question number 15 मार्क्स हाम्रो minimum require residual head of public tap and extend is not less than A master 15, B master 10, C master 5, D master 20. इसको सही आंसर हो 5. Option number C. Question number 16 में जाओ. Flowing material is used to during the drilling to prevent from the caving. इसका ऑप्शन है bentonite, B master thixotrophy, C master both A and B, D master none of the above. इसको सही आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर C, both and both. Question number 17. The radius of influence of well varies with A master rate of pumping, B master water table, C master type of well, D master none of the above. So सही आंसर हो A rate of pumping. Question number 18. Surface water is obtained from well, B master stream, C master artesian well, and D master rain. अगर इसको सही आंसर हो D rain. Surface water is obtained from rain. Question number 19 है groundwater from adjacent wells. A master contain two suspended material, B master contain dissolved salt, C master require less treatment, D master all of the above. इसको सही आंसर हो ऑप्शन नंबर D all of the above. Question number 20. The rate of flow in artesian stream is continuous and A master increase in rainy season, B master constant in all conditions, C master increase as the water table rise, D master decrease in drought season. इसको सही आंसर हो ऑप्शन C. Question number 21 में आएगा. Question number 21 में आता coefficient of permeability is maximum for clean gravel, clay, fine sand and silt. इसको आंसर हो clean gravel. वही लिखा है क्वेश्चन सा. Question number 22. An equilute is a non-artesian aquifer. B master a large undergroundwater body. C master a confined bed or impervious material between the aquifer. D master in artesian aquifer. इसको आंसर हो C. Question number 23. So, of purchase aquifer generally, A master in equilute, B master in artesian aquifer, C master above the water table, D master below the water table. सही आंसर उनका ऑप्शन D above the water table. Question number 24. The specific retention is least is the soil type. A master coarse gravel, B master sand, C master clay, D master silt. इसको सही आंसर हो A coarse gravel. Question number 25. To determine the velocity of flow of the underground water, the most commonly used non-empirical formula is option A master Darcy formula, B master Schweitzer formula, C master Hazen formula, D master Lacy formula. इसका आंसर हो Darcy formula. Question number 26. The location of a well considered to be a good if it sunk into A master coarse gravel, B मात्रा silt, C मात्रा sand, and D मात्रा clay. इसका सही आंसर हो coarse gravel. Question number 27 में आएगा water to be the consumer may be supplied from A मात्रा rainy well sunk to the water level, B मात्रा infiltration we dug out the bank of the river, C मात्रा infiltration galleries connected to the sump well, D मात्रा all of the above. इसका सही आंसर हो D all of the above. Question number 28. The dug wells or open wells A मात्रा has a diameter between 1 to 4 meter. B मात्रा are suitable for a small discharge of the water about 20 cubic per hour. C मात्रा are cheap and cheap in construction. D मात्रा act as a small storage reservoir. The E मात्रा all of the above. इसको सही आंसर होगा all of the above. Question number 29. A specific yield of the well is expressed as A मात्रा meter cube per hour, meter cube per hour per meter square. इसको सही आंसर हो ऑप्शन सी. Question number 30 मात्रा the most widely used tube well in the Nepal में मोस्टली कुन ट्यूबवेल यूज गर्छौं. ए मात्रा स्टेनर ट्यूबवेल, बी मात्रा क्याभिटी ट्यूबवेल, सी मात्रा स्लोटेड, डी मात्रा परफोर्टेबल वेल. यसको सही आन्सर हो ए स्टेनर वेल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. For insignification is set on the water table. The tube wells are be spaced as a 1 in every. Option A मात्रा 0.5 square kilometer, 1.0 square kilometer, C मात्रा 1.5 square kilometer, D मात्रा 2.0 square kilometer. इसका आंसर हो ऑप्शन नंबर C 1.5 square kilometer. Question number 32. The interference of well depend upon A मात्रा number of well, B मात्रा spacing between wells, C मात्रा type of the wells, D मात्रा all of the above. इसको सही आंसर हो all of the above. 33. Question number 33. Strainer type tube well are considered unsuitable for A मात्रा coarse gravel, B मात्रा fine sand, etc. C मात्रा clean gravel, D मात्रा all of the above. इसको सही आंसर हो option B fine sand, etc. Question number 34. In a strainer type well, the flow is radial, the flow is spherical, area of the flow depend upon the size of the cavity, the mass all of the above. इसका आंसर हो ऑप्शन नंबर ए the flow is radial. Simple question sir. Option number 35. Sorry, question number 35 मेरा Abyssinian tube well is a special type of A मात्रा strainer type of tube well, B मात्रा cavity type of tube well, C मात्रा slotted type of well, and D मात्रा performance type of tube well. इसको सही आंसर हो ऑप्शन नंबर ए strainer type of tube well. Question number 36. The depression of water table is well due to pumping will be maximum. A मात्रा act as distance r from the well. B मात्रा at the distance r/2 from the well. C मात्रा close to the well. D मात्रा none of the above. इसको सही आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी. Question number 37. 37 मात्रा the curve showing level of the water is well and original water table is known as? A master inverted cone of depression, B master drawdown curve, C master circle of the influence, D master all of the above. इसको सही आंसर हो D, drawdown curve. Question number 38. The relation between porosity, specific yield, and specific retention is given by? A mass of porosity is equal to a specific yield plus a specific retention. The mass of porosity is equal to a specific yield minus a specific retention. The mass of a specific yield, porosity plus specific retention. The mass of none of the above. That's the answer of option number A. Question number 39. The slope of hydraulic gray line is always toward the well due to pumping. This line of depression water table is called Himasa drawdown curve, Himasa circle of influence, Himasa dynamic gradient, a Himasa and an inverted cone of depression. That's the answer of option number D. Question number 40. A tube well of the 30 cm diameter has decayed before यसको आंसर छ स्टाफ गर्नु तपाईहरु यसको आंसर चाहिँ भनिदिन्छु यसको आंसर छ डी तपाईहरु हिसाब गर्नु ल मैले गरेर सोल्भ गर्नु Question number 41. The average discharge of tubewell is 41 को छ 50 liter per centimeter 50 liter नै हुन्छ यसो कन्फर्म गरेरौ 41 मा हैन 41 को बी नम्बर छ 50 liter. Question number 42. As compared to the shallow tube, whereas deep well has इसको सही आंसर ए more depth. Question number अब हमें 43 में जाऊँ. Depth of shallow tube well shall not be more than considerable economic point. A मासा 30 meter, B मासा 40 meter, C मासा 50 meter, D मासा 60 meter. इसका सही आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर ए. Question number 42 में total quantity of the reservoir is sum of the flowing. A मासा balancing reserve, B मासा breaking down reserve, C मासा fire reserve, D मासा all of the above. इसका सही आंसर all of the above. Question number 45. Mass curve is used for the determine. A mass area of reservoir, B mass depth of the reservoir, C mass capacity of reservoir, D mass none of the above. इसको आंसर option number C capacity of reservoir. Question number 46 में जाओ. Base pressure tank is generally provided in the rural water supply scheme is static exceed. A मासा 30, B मासा 40, C मासा 50, D मासा 60. इसका आंसर 60 meter. Question number 47. The type of from work provided from the ferrous cement is tank in rural water supply scheme. A मासा steel, B मासा wood, C मासा HDPE pipe, D मासा rubber. इसका आंसर option number C. Question number 48. Thickness of tubewell indicates increase in well. B मासा reduction in yield. C मासा suffering from water become disease. D मासा all of the above. Answer D. Question number 49. RMO means आरएमए मिन्स के हुन्छ यसको आन्सर अल अफ द रनिङ मेन्टेनेन्स अपरेसन आरओ आरएमओ आरएमओ मिन्स हुन्छ क्वेशन नंबर 50 gastrointestinal irrigation is produced because of excess of the fluid in water. A mass of chloride, B mass of sulfate, C mass of nitrate, D mass of phosphate. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए, सॉरी ऑप्शन नंबर बी, phosphate. क्वेश्चन नंबर 51 was on dental caries will be absent where the fluid is present. Option A mass molten enamel of the teeth, tie mass methamoglobin, D mass cancer. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 52 मास fluoridation is done to A mass protect children's teeth, B mass protect from the dental fluoride, D mass protect from the both dental and structural fluoride, D mass and tax to wear. इसका आंसर हो ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर लास्ट है किडनी डिमांड में भी causes due to excess concentration of A mass fluoride, B mass nitrate, C mass chloride, and D mass nitrate. इसका आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर सी क्लोराइड. ल हाम्रो क्लास यही समाप्त हुन्छ साथीहरु. प्लिज हाम्रो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु होला. यो नयाँ च्यानल हो. ओके, थ्यांक यू सो मच साथीहरु.